Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, best channel in the world. Welcome back to Phayte Effects. So somebody recently told me that my hair will soon start talking because of all the things I put in it. Let it happen because I won't stop trying out natural things on my hair. So today I'm going to, try to grow my hair with carrot and banana hair mask. Now let's talk about the benefits. Carrot contains nutrients that can stimulate hair follicles and promotes new growth. It improves hair structure, the texture of the hair, making it smoother, softer, and shinier. It can hydrate your hair and prevent dryness and breakage. It also contains antibacterial properties that can help with dandruff and dry scalp. I know, right? Like, it is literally a lot. Anyway, right now I have successfully scraped out the back of the carrot and to prepare it for the next step. Scraping the carrots removes all the dirt that we definitely do not want in our hair mask, so I totally recommend that. So now I am grating my carrot to make it easy for me to extract the carrot nutrient from our hair mask. You know how hard carrot is, so grating it makes it much more easier to do the hair mask. If you do not have this time, you can use a food processor to achieve this. You want to be careful while grating your carrots. Do not say that it is Phayte Effects that made you cut your hand. I beg. So try to do it slow until you achieve your goal. I think I rhymed. All done, and this is how our carrots looks like, all shredded and ready for the next step. Over here I have my pots and I'll be adding 1 cup of water into my pot. Please make sure the water you are adding is clean because you do not want any dirty or bacteria on your hair. Now I'm adding my shredded carrots into my pot of clean water and I'll be boiling this for 10 minutes. Boiling it for 10 minutes brings out the right amount of nutrients we need, so you don't need to overboil it. After 10 minutes, it has to cool down completely before you move in to blend it. So right now I have my blender, but if you do not have a blender, you can totally pound it till it turns into a paste. So right now I'm adding my cooled, shredded, boiled carrots into my blender. Now I'll be adding 2 bananas into my blender. Banana serves as conditioner, that natural conditioner that actually softens your hair and it helps soothe itchy, dandruff, scalp, repairs and nourishes your hair strands. So I totally recommend you using banana for your hair mask. Now I'm going with 1/2 cup of water and I'm adding it into my blender. Yay guys, so I recently started my own natural hair oil line, which I'm super excited for. It is moringa and ginger oil, which I actually make myself, so please do not forget to patronize me. So now I'm adding 1 spoon of this oil into my blender, and adding oils into your hair mask is such a good way of moisturizing your hair. So now I'll be blending this into a paste. If you're pounding it, please make sure you pound it till it turns very smooth. Pounding it or blending it actually just mixes everything together, and yes, this is what it looks like. So So now I'm putting my paste into my cheese or pap cloth to drain out the juice and remove the shaft. If you don't sieve out the shaft, you may not be able to get it out of your hair. I've made this mistake times and times again, and it may leave your hair itchy and may turn it into dandruff. So please do not skip any process in this video. And as you can see, our juice is out. Yes, and it looks so smooth. There is no single shaft in it. And guys, this is literally our hair mask. So as you can see, I'm going to be transferring our hair mask into my bottle to just make it easy for when I want to apply it. I actually love the color, and guys, I love it. In fact, it was just scenting. That's one thing I love about making this type of hair mask. You know when you're using onions hair mask, or you might say you don't like the smell, or when you're using rice water, you might say, well, it doesn't really smell like anything. But this one, the hair mask scents so good. Like the carrots and the banana just scent so good. You would literally want to eat it. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, I tasted it and it tasted so good. It was like I was making milkshake. Okay, enough about food. We're talking about hair mask now. So right now it is time for us to apply it on our hair. Yes, so guys, right now my hair is all washed, and that's why we're seeing a lot of shrinkage. That's one thing about natural hair. Once water just touches it like this, it will just shrink. Anyway, my hair is all washed and it is wet, and now my natural hair girlies can literally tell you what I am doing. My OGs on this channel, my natural hair girlies on this channel actually know that what I'm doing right now is putting my hair in sections. So I've said it times and times again, this literally just makes it very, very easy for when you want to apply your hair mask on your hair. So I really do not recommend just like putting it on your hair like that, because sometimes it might not get into your scalp, and we really need it to get into your scalp, your roots. So I always say that if your hair is thick, very thick, then please section your hair into 8. As you can see, I section my hair into 4, and even at that, like, sometimes my hair will still be very, very difficult for when I want to put the hair mask on it. But because of laziness, I'll be sectioning into 4. So if your hair is very thick, section it into 8. If your hair is like short, you can just do it like that, or you can section it into 2. So right now it is time for us to go in with our hair mask, section by section. So I've literally tried a lot of things on my hair. Come to think of it, I've tried aloe vera, I've tried avocado, I've tried onions, I've tried rice water, I've tried okra, I've tried moringa and ginger oil, and so many things that I really don't be showing you guys. But this is literally one of my favorite hair masks because of how it literally feels. I've spoken about how nice it smells, but gosh, how it really feels on your hair. There's a way you apply something on your hair and immediately you can feel that it is so good for your hair. That's how this carrot and banana hair mask feels on my hair. It just leaves this soft type of feeling, and I actually love it so much, and that's why I apply it like a relaxer. When you go to the salon, for people that have actually relaxed their hair, I used to have relaxed hair, they put it in sections, and then they start with massaging it to your roots. They start with trying to get it everywhere, and they focus more on that, your roots, and why they are trying to pull it, and trying to make sure that that's roots that they call dew is straightened and it's okay. And that's the same thing when you want to apply hair mask on your hair. Omo, you have to put it on your roots. Guys, can you see this? This hair mask was literally bringing out my curls, my natural curls. I've never really like curled my hair, just like that, but bruh, this hair mask was bringing it. And then I went in with my detangling brush, but then in second thought I was like, you know what, let me leave detangling till when all the nutrients and everything have gotten into my hair. So on my edges, guys, if you have been watching my previous natural hair videos, you would understand that these days my edges have been really sensitive. So right now I always focus on it anytime I'm doing hair mask. I did this crochet dreadlocks on my hair at one point, and then it just left my hair really sensitive. Like my scalp has been sensitive. So if your scalp is literally like mine, then please, you need to do a natural hair mask today. Like if your hair is mad sensitive, please go ahead and do that. So after applying all the hair mask on one section, as you can see, I went in to twist it, just like lock in all the moisture and all the nutrients, and I'm going in with the second one. So when you're doing this on your hair, you have to be gentle with your hair. I know sometimes the video might be fast forwarded, but bruh, I am very gentle on my hair. I apply this on my hair like, I'm not even gonna front. I apply this on my hair every week, as long as I don't have braids on or something, as long as my hair is out, as long as I have a protective style on. Every week I must do a hair mask on my hair. So some people for results, you can actually do it on your hair twice a week, but I think it's just like very relatable, to do it every week. So I make sure that my weekends are just meant for doing this hair mask. It could be any hair mask of your choice. I have other hair mask tutorials on my channel. You can just go to the playlist natural hair videos, and then you see a lot of it. So what I do is that every weekend I do this hair mask, like some type of hair mask. It could be fenugreek and rosemary, or it could be avocado, it could be banana, it could be onions. Anyone that I really like, I just use it on my hair. And then during the week, I now use my moringa and ginger oil on my hair. So that just like leaves in the moisture, and it just makes it a lot better. So we're all done with the hair mask, and guys, I was literally feeling myself at this point. I was scenting like banana and carrot. So right now I'm going in with the remaining hair mask on the bottle, because I really just like finishing it on my hair. I don't know why, but I just feel like if I make it, that's why I don't make a lot. If I make it, I just want to finish it on my hair. I want to have like a lot on my hair, so that all the nutrients and everything can go in. So you want to make sure that you apply this on that particular place that maybe you're thinning out, or that you want to grow. For some people it might be the back of their hair, for some people it might be the middle of their hair. So you just make sure you apply this on your hair. Right now I'm doing one of my favorite things, and I've actually read that this thing actually boosts hair growth, and this is massaging your hair. So I really do this until I'm tired. I massage it into my scalp, and now I'm going in with my nylon with my black nylon. I use 2 just to seal in the heat and to seal in the moisture and to seal in the nutrients into my hair. I'm going to be leaving it on my hair for an hour. After 1 hour, I was so ready to see my hair. And guys, when I say it was soft, When I say it was soft, bruh, my hair was mad soft, and I could really feel that all the nutrients had gotten into my scalp. So guys, it was literally time for me to wash it out of my hair. But first of all, before we wash it out of our hair, it is just right that we loosen the sections that we've already done, so that as you can see, I can detangle it. You remember that I said I didn't detangle it the last time? Guys, I wanted all the nutrients and everything to get into my hair, and my hair was mad soft. Like, it was very easy for me to detangle my hair. Before I applied this treatment, I literally left my hair anyhow. Like, I just left it to be doing its own thing. But I actually thought that by the time I detangle this hair or comb it out, that I will have like so many breakage, because you guys know that it's Harmattan period, and this is literally the time that your hair be breaking. So this is literally the time that you need to do all these hair masks on your hair to just like straighten the roots, your scalp, the strands, everything, to just strengthen your hair basically. So doing this on my hair, it was very easy for me to detangle, for me to brush it out. My hair was like literally very soft. As you can see, at this point I only done the front, and then it was time for me to do the back. And guys, I was really happy with the result. Now, we've not even gotten to the growing parts and how to grow my hair, because that's something that I'll like see as we proceed. But guys, look at this. Like, just thinking, I don't know, the people that have watched my first hair video that was avocado and banana hair mask, I think we need to go back and watch that video and then see the growth from when I started, doing all these stuffs on my hair on YouTube, and my hair now. My hair is literally long and it is voluminous. It's voluminous. What, I don't know how to speak the English, but yeah, the hair is long and it is thick. And in fact, I'm not even planning on stopping, because this is literally what I want for myself and what I want for you guys. I want you guys to have this kind of healthy hair. Look at this, guys. Look at this. I'm so happy with the result. So anyway, this is me after I'd washed it from my hair. My hair was very shiny because of the Phayte Effects moringa and ginger oil that was literally inside the hair mask. So my hair was shiny and it was moisturized, like without me even applying my cream and everything. So guys, this is the small hair ball that I got. Like, after I combed my hair, everything, this is the only breakage that came out of my hair. You guys know that it would have been way worse, because I really left my hair on its own. So I'm really happy that it was just that little amount of hair ball that came out. And this was my hair later that day after I had moisturized my hair. I'll be telling you guys to tell me in the comment section if you want me to do a separate video on how to moisturize my hair. Please go ahead and tell me in the comment section. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I love you, and I will see you on my next YouTube video. Mwah.